you want to be part of my crew, right?
Yes, sir.
Well, we don't just accept anybody. First, I want to see you do this Banshee test.
Why?
Because it will show me in case of emergency if something will happen wrong.
What if I can't fly?
Well, that's just something we're going to have to handle. I don't
Why?
think there will be any Banshees out there, but, you know, it's just something I think.
What? What's today?
Today is, I don't know, I don't really use a calendar.
Oh. Well,
It's a Banshee.
okay. How do you operate this thing? Oh, God! Oh, my God! Oh, my God! How do you fly this thing? Oh, God! Oh, God! Oh, God! Oh, God! Well, that sucker went down pretty well.
So, next.
Yep, it's me.
Who are you?
My name's Roger. No, what's my name? What's my name? I can't remember my name, okay?
That is the most stupid thing I've ever heard.
But sorry, my parents never named. Oh, my parents never named me, sir.
Then I'm just gonna call you Roy.
Why, Roy?
Because I want it to be Roy. Now get in that Banshee and I want to see you fly.
Oh, okay, sir. Whee!
You're wasting my ammo. Now get back here. Even though that's not even my ammo.
That thing just went down. How much does that cost?
About $33 million.
I'm good. I'm not gonna pay for it anyway.
Okay, the next one will be pretty much the duck challenge. I want you to charge up with your plasma pistol. And I'm gonna move around like one of those ducks at a carnival, and I want you to try to shoot me. Hey, you missed.
I'm out of ammo, sir, so I gotta, let's just finish this with this.
Wait, what? What?
I'm joking.
What is that?
I found it, sir.
Okay.
Anyway.
Next.
That's all, I think.
There's nobody else left on the list?
No, I think everybody hates you, sir. I even hate you.
Well, I knew I shouldn't have said minimum wage. Okay, looks like you can do.
Hey, what is that supposed to mean?